Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. If you want handwriting that looks elegant and effortless, this video is for you. In this video, we are going to learn the basic rules of cursive writing, the correct size, angle, shape, spacing, and how to write according to line. So if you've seen someone writing beautifully and wished I could do that, but my handwriting is trash, I've got a great news for you that calligraphy and handwriting are not the same thing. So in just few minutes, I'm going to teach you the actual stuff you need to know before starting cursive writing. For this video, you don't need fancy pens, brush for calligraphy. I will start this lesson with a simple pencil. So the first rule is angle. The angle is the direction your letters lean. It creates a flow and speed, makes writing look elegant and connected. The second is how tall and small each letter should be. Small letters like A, C, E should be of same height. Tall letters like B, D, F should be 2 times taller than the small letters. Baseline letters like G, J, P go below the baseline with the same depth. This gives writing a good balance. Next is the shape. Shape is the form of the letter, round, oval, or loop. Most letters are based on oval shapes. Curves are soft and smooth, no sharp corners. So the next one is the distance between the letters and the distance between the words. In cursive writing, we usually write letters close to each other but not touching too much. Too close, like a dark scribble. Too far looks like a separate letters, not cursive writing. The rule for correct spacing between the word is the space equal to one small letter O. Keep it consistent, help the reader's eye rest, make sentence easy to flow. So the next is write according to the line. All letters must sit properly on the line. Line structure like baseline, middle line, top line, bottom line. Baselines where most letters sit, middle line, height of the small letters, top line, height of tall letters, bottom line, where tail letters go. And the last one is the technique. Cursive writing is about continuous motion, lifting the pen less. So the correct techniques are: first one is start letters from the entry stroke. Second, exit smoothly into the next letter, and third, maintain the rhythm. Why this technique exists in cursive writing? It builds speed, it also improves muscle memory, and it makes writing look effortless. Here's extra tip for you, that is the pressure. How hard you press the pen. Correct pressure, light on upstrokes and slightly firm on the downstrokes. What it adds, it prevents hand pain, makes strokes elegant, and improves ink flow. If you're writing with a calligraphy pen, also keep the shape smooth. So here, as you can see, when I'm going upward, I am keeping the pressure very light, and when coming downward, the pressure is a little firm. So here we have learned the basic rules of the cursive writing, and it's time to practice. First, start by practicing basic strokes, upstrokes and downstrokes while maintaining a slight right slant. Remember, beautiful handwritings come with patience and regular practice. We'll learn the basic strokes of the cursive writing in the next video, and till then, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself, and don't forget to like, subscribe and follow my channel.